how to use this VPN application here. Like a pro. So make sure to watch full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. And do keep in mind you get a limited megabytes or gigabytes of usage with this VPN if you do not have a subscription. So let's select these servers. So down here you have the best region option. It'll stop at that there. It will pretty much show you all the servers available. So at the top here are the free servers. Down here are the premium servers. So whichever free server you want to use, all you have to do is select that free server here. Once you have selected, we'll pretty much just go back. And as you can see here, you can just pretty much go back here and connect the VPN. Now, do keep in mind you do have this amount of traffic to be able to use per month, 10 gigabytes. So be careful how you use the VPN. So in the settings option here, nothing much. You have the app settings. Here you can pretty much log out of your account, but I'm using a dummy account. So do make sure you log in with your original email or Gmail to make sure if you're going to subscribe to your subscription, you do not lose it. So at the top here, when you tap on account, here you can always go back. And if you want to sign in with a Gmail, you can press and start using. If you don't want to, you tap on continue with the email. So to get the premium subscription, you pretty much have to contact the developers with your email that you logged in with to get the subscription, because there's no subscription page on this application. So do keep that in mind. And therefore, if you're watching this, do please fix that. There's no subscription page on this application. Anyways, that's really pretty much it. Once you have selected your server, you just tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request and tap on OK, and it will start connecting in no time. So if I missed anything at all,